So we're going to talk a little bit about the Gaelic song tradition here in Nova Scotia. So a lot of the songs that were sung and are still sung today are work songs, technically. So they'd be songs people would sing to keep time to their work and to make the job go a little faster. And if it was a job you were doing with a lot of people, like milling or rowing per se, one person would take the lead on singing the verses and then everyone would join in on the chorus and people would take turns singing like that.
And through the day-to-day lives of the Gaels, often they would recite the oral literature of the songs to themselves, and they would keep this for themselves and pass it on as well.
The Gaels brought all genre of song with them to Canada, and just as they had been making new songs in the old country, they used these songs as frameworks to build upon their experiences and to relate their experiences through song here in Canada.
Exactly, and so both these songs that the Gaels brought over from the old country, as we sometimes refer to Scotland, and locally composed songs are still sung today, and they've been passed down through generations. And so you can find a great range of songs, everything from love songs to historical songs, ones relating humorous events or maybe in praise of people and place, satires, political songs. There's all different kinds.
Yes, and sometimes it's useful to think of Gaelic songs not necessarily as having a narrative, like as a beginning, middle, and an end, but more as a big role of snapshots that you could kind of look at in a vertical manner of symbolisms and motifs to do with Highland life and Gaelic culture. Who's can go about it?
Yeah, so maybe I'll sing a song here. This one would be one that came from Scotland. It's, if I'm not mistaken, it would be a Colin Watson song, one that the MacDonnells in the Skye area might have sung. And it's just talking about the noblemen coming on the boat, and everyone's looking forward to when they'll arrive. So, Gurmisha hatra marsh new walks of Athenis me gary hagen yet go bachigs hanimo hookers tiny fally load away they you I guess so's na hokey away hagen yet go bachigs hanimo hookers tiny zigen yet a bachelinus wasn't not a gate. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away. Sicken yet a batch of linus wasn't not a gaiety, gun chicken gorn and bad dog and bavish the vitreva. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away. Lagen chicken gorn and bad dog and bavish the vitreva. Walker and a cheat out of my gate is paid guy. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away. Walker and a cheat out of my gate is paid guy. Walker and a tuchin sugar vel no good of heen let. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away. Walker and a tuchin sugar vel no good of heen let. Shirigan bachelin faway no at Gàidheal and slate. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away. Shirigan bachelin faway no at Gàidheal and slate. Fad bean a feelings na peepin' down gen glaze. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away. Fad bean a feelings na peepin' down gen glaze. Gach na shahat now marsh no walks of Athenis me gaiety. Fally load, away, you, I guess so's na hokey away.
Oh, shit, oh, hey.
Bye.